At the front lines of immune-oncology, Pilatus Biosciences is redefining the future of cancer treatment. We focus on the tumor microenvironment, leveraging metabolic immunology to unleash the body's anti-cancer potential. Tumor cells release metabolites such as oxLDL and fatty acids to alter the tumor microenvironment. These act like drugs that compromise immune cells carrying CD36. Much like police officers disoriented in a drug factory, unable to perform their duties. PLT012 acts as a protective mask, blocking CD36 and restoring immune cells' ability to eliminate cancer cells. Hepatocellular carcinoma is the third leading cause of cancer mortality worldwide, taking over 830,000 lives annually. By 2030, incidence is projected to exceed 1.15 million cases. Current immunotherapies show overall response rates of only 20 to 36%, with 5-year survival rates of just 15 to 22%. This underscores the urgent need for breakthrough treatments. In preclinical studies, PLT012 has delivered breakthrough results as monotherapy. It achieved over 30% complete remission. In combination with PD-L1 inhibitors, response rates reach 70%, with 45% tumor-free. These findings show PLT012 is effective not only in immune-hot tumors, but also in immune-cold tumors. Building on this preclinical evidence, we have partnered with Roche to launch a first-in-human clinical trial in hepatocellular carcinoma, a landmark milestone for PLT012. This collaboration represents an important step in realizing PLT012's therapeutic potential. In combination with atezolizumab, PLT012 may overcome resistance to PD-L1 monotherapy in HCC, and enhance both the depth and durability of treatment responses. Lausanne to Taipei and Delaware, we integrate global resources and expertise. With its differentiated mechanism, PLT012 enters the market with both clinical and commercial potential. Pilatus Biosciences, unlocking the immune code, reimagining the future of cancer care. Discover more at pilatusbio.com.